Hi children, let us learn mathematics of standard first and topic is introduction and writing of 81 to 90, and we are going to complete one more topic, that is introduction and writing of 91 to 99. Children, we have completed up to 80, right, in the last lectures. So dear children, today let us complete from 81 to 99. Okay, let us move to our topic. See dear children, here are your friends. Let us move along with them. Before that, we will go through the numbers from 1 to 80. See here, this is the strip showing 1 to 10, 11 to 20, this is 21 to 30, this is 31 to 40, and the next one is 41 to 50. Next 51 to 60, 61 to 70, and 71 to 80. Up to 80 we know the numbers. We have studied up to 80, right? How to write and how to read and how to write them in the form of tens and units. We know all these things, isn't it? So let us move to the introduction and writing of 81 to 90. You know the process. First we are going to make a table, isn't it? Now we will take any objects. How much we have to take? We have to take 8 tens, right? 8 bundles. We'll see here. First bundle of matchstick, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Means here we can see 8 bundles of matchsticks. You know that each bundle has 10 matchsticks, right? Means here we can see 80 matchsticks. We know the numbers, how to read and how to write up to 80. Okay, now we will add one more single matchstick. Yes, we will write them in the tens and units form. Okay, here we will make columns, tens and units. How many tens are there? Nice, 8 tens and 1 unit. Here we can see only a single matchstick, right? So same thing, let us write in words, that is 8 tens and 1 unit. Okay, the number formed is, yes, very nice, 81. You know the spelling for 80, that is EIGHTY. 80 and 1 makes 81, right? Okay. Now here we can see 81 matchsticks, right? Now we are going to add one more here. So we got 8 tens and 2 units. We'll write here 8 tens, 2 units. That make the number 82. 80 and 2 in numerals, right? Now we will take 82 matchsticks. We are going to add one more. So we got 8 tens and 3 units, right? Here it is. And the number formed is 83, right? And in numerals, 80 and 3 makes 83. We'll proceed. Now here 83 matchsticks are there. Now we are going to add one more matchstick. So here 8 tens and got, right? 8 tens, 4 units, that make 84. That is nothing but 80 and 4 in the numerals. Here we will take 84 match sticks and we are going to add one more stick. So we got here 80 and 5. That is 8 tens and 5 units. Correct? That is nothing but 85 number. That is 80 and 5 in the numerals. Let us add one more to 85. Here it is. So we got 8 tens and 6 units. Let us write here. Okay, our number is 86. 80 and 6. That is nothing but 86. Okay, children, now here our 86 matchsticks. Let us add one more to this to get the next number. That is nothing but 8 tens and 7 single sticks. That is nothing but 8 tens and 7 units. Number formed is 87. 80 and 7. Right? Here we can see 87 matchsticks. Let us add one more to this one. So we got 8 tens and nice 8 units. Okay? And the number formed is, right, 88. Our number is 80 and 8. Dear children, here we are going to add one more to 88. See here. So we got 8 tens and 9 singles. That is nothing but 8 tens and 9 units. The number formed is 89. 80 and 9. Right? Yes. Now we are going to add one more matchstick to these 89 matchsticks. See here. Yes. Now we got 10 units. 10 single matchsticks. So what they are going to do? They are going to combine. They are going to join. They are going to make a bunch. Yes. So we got a bunch of one more matchsticks. Right? See here. Correct? So there are 9 tens and 0 units. You cannot see a single matchstick over there. So 0 units. Let us write in words 9 tens and 0 units. Our number is 90. See dear children, the spelling for 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Okay, and how to write? See here, 9 and 0, that is nothing but 90. Okay, got this? Okay, I hope you understood how to write and read the numbers from 81 to 90. Let us check. Here is our caterpillar. It is showing two numbers. That is the starting number 81 and the last number 90. Yes, it is our duty to fill all the blanks. Okay, let us begin. First number is 81. Then comes 82. Let us add one more. Then we get 83. Next number 84. Next is 85. Let us add one more. We get 86. Add one more. We get 87. Next number will be 88. Then comes 89 and 90 is there. Yes, we have completed the writing of numbers from 81 to 90. Caterpillar is very happy. Yes, it will move to its home. Now dear children, this is our second topic. Okay, introduction and writing of 91 to 99. Again we will make table. Okay, again we will take some objects. Here we will take the bundle of matchsticks again. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and one more, that is single. Yes, same thing we will write in tens and units form. Okay, how many tens are there? 9 bundles means 9 tens. Very nice. And one single, correct? So that is 1 unit. In words, 9 tens and 1 unit. The number formed is 91. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90 and O-N-E, 1. How to write this? 90 and 1. Okay, in the numeral form. Now dear children, same procedure we will follow now. Let us add 1 matchsticks in the each step. And let us get new number, that is nothing but the next number. Okay, here 91 matchsticks are there. We are going to add one more. So we got 9 tens and 2 units, right? And our number is 92, correct? And in the numerals 90 and 2. Here we have 92 matchsticks. We are going to add one more. So we got 9 tens and 3 units, right? And our number is 93. 90 and 3. Okay. Our next number is, we are going to add one more to 93. So our tens are 9 and 4 units. Right? Okay, our number is 94. In numerals 90 and 4. Right? Yes. Now we are going to add one more to 94. So we got 9 tens and 5 units. That is nothing but 95. 90 and 5. Right? Let us add one more to 95. Very easy method, right? So 9 tens and 6 units we got. Let us write in words. And the number we got is 96. In numerals 90 and 6. Let us move further. We'll add one more to 96. So here we got 9 tens and 7 units, right? Okay, our number is 97. How to write? 90 and 7. Next is adding one more matchstick to 97. So we got 9 tens, that is as it is, and 8 units. Okay, and our number is 98. In the numerals 90 and 8. Right? Here we are going to add one more stick to 98 sticks. Here it is. So we got 9 tens and 9 units. Right? In the words 9 tens and 9 units. This gives us 99 number. And how to write in numerals? See here, 90 and 9. Got this, children? Yes. Dear children, this is the biggest two-digit number. When we add one more to 99, it will move to become a three-digit number. That we will learn in the next lecture. I hope you understood how to write the numbers from 91 to 99. Right? Here is our checking. Fill in the blanks. Okay. One design is there. See here. And it is having some numbers, that is 91, 95 and 97. And rest all we have to fill. Yes, dear children. After 91 means when we add one more to 91, we get 92. Nice. Then comes, yes, nice, 93. Then our number will be 94. 95 is already given. Then nice, 96. 97 is given. Claps for you. Yes. Very nice. Here is page number 58 from our textbook. Okay, maths textbook. Please try to fill these blanks. Okay, you have to complete this caterpillar. Use pencil and write in your textbook. Okay, and here match the pairs. This is homework for you. Okay, you can see here two columns, A and B. In the A column, numbers are given, and in the B columns, names of numbers are given. What you have to do? You know that you have to match the numbers in the unit sentence form to their names. Okay, for example, first one 9 tens and 5 units. That make 95, isn't it? Yes, you know this, right? Very good. One more homework is there for you. See again, fill in the blanks. Here we can see star shape structures and oval shape structure and rectangular structures. So in star shape, their numbers are given in numerals. In the oval shape, numbers are written in their names, and in the rectangular shapes, numbers are written in the form of tens and units. You have to fill all these shapes. Okay, you can draw this in your notebook and you can complete this in your notebook. Okay, then show it to your mother, father or teacher or your elder sister or brother. Okay, got this? Yes. One more activity. Join the numbers serially to complete the picture. Okay, here you know how to do. You have to join the numbers in serial order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, then you will get a nice picture, a lovely picture. Okay. Thank you, dear children. Children, go through your textbook and try to write 1 to 99 numbers in good handwriting. Okay. Take care. Bye.